Hi, this is Mr. Tipton, and we are back today with the triangle sum theorem. The triangle sum theorem states that the sum of the three angles in any triangle is equal to 180 degrees. So it doesn't matter what kind of triangle it is, acute, right, isosceles, scalene, any kind of triangle. If you add the three angles together, they have a sum of 180 degrees. We can use the triangle sum theorem to solve problems, to find the missing angle in a triangle like this one. We know that all three angles add up to 180, so let's write that as an equation. 65 plus 30 plus x that we don't know, all combined equal 180. Well, when we solve, we'll combine our like terms. 65 and 30 is 95, plus x equals 180. Subtract 95 from both sides, and we get x is equal to 85. So our missing angle, 85 degrees. Triangle sum theorem. The sum of all three angles in any triangle equal 180 degrees. Here's another one. It's a little more algebraic. It's got a few more terms with variables in them. No big deal. Our three angles are x plus 2x plus x plus 20. Those are our three angles. Even though they're not numbers, that's okay. They are numbers once we figure out what x is. Their sum, all three of those combined, equal 180 degrees. Combine our like terms. We've got 1x and 2x and 1x. Gives us 4x. And then we still have the plus 20. Is equal to 180. Save the term with the variable for last. So we'll begin by getting rid of this 20 on both sides, giving us 4x equals 160. Divide both sides by 4, and we get x is equal to 40. Now, be careful. We're asked to find the missing angles, not just to find x, so we have to go back and substitute. This one's easy, that's 40 degrees. This one is 2 times 40, so 80 degrees. And this one on the bottom is 40 plus 20, 60 degrees. So just make sure that you answer what you're asked. We needed the angle measures on this problem. And I think we will on the next one too. Yep, find the missing angles. Pause any of these, try them on your own, and then you can check. Here we have m plus 3m, oops, got carried away there, 3m plus m minus 35 is equal to 180. Like terms, we've got 1m, 3m's, and 1m is 5m minus 35 is equal to 180. Save the term with the variable for last, so we're going to add 35 to both sides. And that gives us 5m is equal to 215. Divide both sides by 5, and our solution is m is equal to 43. But we need the missing angles, not just m. That one's easy, 43 degrees. 3 times 43 is 129 degrees. And then 43 minus 35 is 8 degrees. I know it doesn't look like 8 degrees, and if you put your protractor up to your screen, it would not measure as 8 degrees. That's okay. For these problems, Don't go by what it looks like. Go by what you know mathematically to be true. Quadrilaterals. So this video is called the triangle sum theorem. We know that the sum of the angles in a triangle equal 180 degrees, but we can use that to find how many degrees are in other figures. Quadrilaterals, pentagons, hexagons, and so on. We're only going to look at quadrilaterals today. If you think about it, really a quadrilateral is just two triangles. Got a triangle here and a triangle here. And if there are 180 degrees in a triangle, but there are two triangles in a quadrilateral, it means there are 360 degrees in a quadrilateral. Alright, doesn't matter if I just did a square. Okay, a square is, oh, that was a bad line. A square is two triangles. So there are 360 degrees in the square. A rectangle, 4 right angles. Okay? Again, a rectangle is two triangles. So all quadrilaterals have 360 degrees, like a triangle has 180. So let's find the value of x in this quadrilateral. Instead of adding 3 angles, we'll be adding 4 angles. I guess I should have had degree signs there. We've got 89 degrees plus 5x minus 8 plus 51 plus 3x plus 4. And because it's a quadrilateral, they all equal 360 degrees. The solving's the same. Combine our like terms. We've got a positive 5 and a positive 3x, which will be 8x. And our numbers, we've got 89 minus 8 is 81, plus 51, let's see, 89 minus 8. 89 minus 8 is 81. Plus 51 is 132. Plus 4 is 136 when we combine the numbers. And of course those still equal 360. Subtract 136 from both sides. And we have 8x is equal to 224. And divide both sides by 8. And we get x is equal to 28. Now this problem it just said to find the value of x. It didn't say what are the 4 angle measures. So I'm good. Right there. There's the value of x. It's 28. Answer what you're asked. Triangle sum theorem. All 3 angles in a triangle add up to a sum of 180 degrees. And you can use that theorem to solve problems about missing angles. If you have questions, write them down. We'll see you soon.